That's right, Mugo and Audrina. We're getting some video, and social media often tells this story first. Sometimes you got to be careful what you're absorbing from social media, obviously, in these critical first minutes. But we want to play for you some video we just got from TikTok, and I want you to listen as much as you watch. This is our first audio that we're getting of the possible shooting this morning just after 10 a.m. as the Highland Park 4th of July parade kicked off. Let's roll that video. As we heard from Sean a few moments ago, that it sounded like seconds until folks realized what they were hearing. You saw the folks in the parade, those looked to be like young people, maybe in a band. They started to run, and then the folks on the sidelines start to process what is going on. Let's re-rack that if we can, and maybe amplify the audio. I don't know if we can do that. I didn't get a real clear image or hearing of that, but that's the critical moments there just after 10 o'clock. Let's re-roll that TikTok video real quick, and then we're going to hear from Governor Pritzker. The 4th of July that nobody wanted, that way. That is the Highland Park Parade just after 10 o'clock, as we understand. Again, we're piecing things together from first-person accounts. We heard from individuals who said that they saw a gunman on the top of a pancake house near 2nd and Central this morning, Walker Brothers Original Pancake House.